Southwestern University Chairman of the Board, Mr. Andrew Asnor, and members of the Board, University President, Dr. Eldelgario Gonzalez, members of the University Council, members of the Asnar family, guests, faculty, students, ladies and gentlemen, good evening everybody. Today's conferment writes a milestone of Southern University and my family. I am deeply honored and humbled by the ceremonies which have just unfolded before our eyes. Honoring a boxer who has not Earned a college degree is a great decision of Southwestern University. Malaking kalakalan po para sa akin. That is why I am very much thankful to the administrations and faculty of Southwestern University for granting me the honorary degree Doctor of Humanities, honoris causa. Sa kabila ng kaliwat kanang matikos laban sa pamantasan ng Southwestern University, ipinagpatuloy pa rin ninyo ang pagpatuloy na paniniwala sa akin at pagbubunyagi ng karangalan binigay ko sa ating bansa sa larangan ng boxing. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala. Mahamping ko ang Southwestern University sa Princeton University Houston Graduate School of Theology of Central Ohio State University sa Amerika. Ang mga pamantasan na ito ay nagkaloob din ng doctorate degree sa honoris causa sa mga boxer katulad ko na nagbigay rin ng malaking karangalan sa bansa nila. Si Muhammad Ali ay nabigyan ng Princeton University ng Doctor of Humanities and Houston Graduate School of Theology naman ang binigay kay George Foreman ng Honorary Doctorate of at si Iron Mike Tyson ay nabigyan din ng Doctor of Humane Letters mula sa Central Ohio State University. Like these universities, Southwestern University is an institution of higher learning that believes in kinesthetic intelligence as a higher form of intelligence. I salute the excellence you have exemplified through the years.
Nice.
Kinakabahan ako. Tulad ninyo, ako'y naniniwala na ang katalinuhan at kagalingan ng Pilipino ay hindi nasusukat sa dami ng librong binabasa. Sa paniniwala ko po, ang talino at galing ng isang tao ay masusukat din sa kanyang mabuting pag-ugali, pagmamahal sa bayan, higit sa lahat, paniniwala sa Diyos sa ating pong may kapal. Ako po ay taos-pusong nagpapasalamat sa pamantasang ito sa karangalan na iginawad sa akin. Hindi ko malilimutan ang Southwestern University. These degrees serve as an inspiration to my fellow boxers and sportsmen and women to continue work hard for excellence and uphold the values of hard work, perseverance, nationalism, and faith in God. Ako yung mahanga sa Southwestern University at sa mga atleta nito. Ang mga sports program ng Southwestern University ay nagbibigay daan sa katuparan ng mga pangarap nila upang maging professional at magtagumpay sa kanilang mga larangan. Kasama ngayong ngayong gabi, ang mga boxers na sina Brex Flores, Martin Tonyacao, and Heriberto Gihon. Salamat sa inyong pagdalo. Dito ba? And this view, I will fully support Southwestern University on its effort to convert the Institute of Physical Education and Sport into College of Human Kinetics. This is a merging of knowledge and skill in sport and physical education. Now, a science of human movement, sa pamamagitan nito, makakatulong tayo sa mga mahihirap na estudyante upang makamit ang mga pangarap sa buhay. From this day onward, I am an alumnus of Southwestern University. I will do my best in all my endeavors to be called courtesan of my alma mater. Southwestern University, thank you very much.